In the name of Allah, the gracious, the most merciful. Very, very good morning, students. Today, we will discuss about an activity. We will solve an activity which is given in your textbook. The newborn babies get mixed in the nursery of a hospital. Baby 1 is type B blood group and baby 2 is type O blood group. Determine their parentage from the phenotypes of these two couples. Two couples are given. We have to find out baby 1 and baby 2 belongs to which couple. These two couples, Mr. Harris is type A blood group and Mrs. Harris is type AB blood group. Mr. and Mrs. Bilal are both of type A blood group. Firstly, we write the genotype as well as phenotypes of the given persons. Possible genotypes of babies and parents. Persons, blood type, genotypes. Baby 1, B blood phenotype, B blood group. The genotype is IB or IBI. Blood group may be homozygous or heterozygous genotypically. Baby 2 has O blood group. The genotype of the O blood group is small I. Mr. Harris has A blood group. The genotype is of two types. Homozygous is IA, heterozygous is IA small I. Mrs. Harris has AB blood group. The genotype is IAIB. Mr. Bilal has A blood group. Genotypes are IAIA or IA small I. Mrs. Bilal has A blood group, IAIA or IA small I. These are the genotypes of the given persons and the phenotypes are also given in the activity. When we study the genotypes of the persons, it is clear that baby A belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Harris because baby 1 has phenotype, has blood group B, antigen B are present on the red blood cells of the baby 1. IB, homozygous and this is the heterozygous. In Mrs. Harris blood, which has the phenotype IAIB, both antigens are present. Antigen A as well as antigen B present. And Mr. Harris has genotype IA small I. And so, in this couple, in the couple of Mr. and Mrs. Harris, antigen B are present on the red blood cells of Mrs. Harris because Mrs. Harris has blood group AB. And so, when we observe the genotypes, it is clear that baby 1 belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Harris and baby 2 has phenotype O blood type, small I, Mr. and Mrs. Bilal has the phenotypes A and A, and Mrs. Bilal has genotype IA, small I, and Mr. Bilal has genotype IA, small I. When we cross IA, small I with IA, small I, O-type baby can be produced. And so, it will be guessed that baby 2 belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Bilal. Now, we make the crosses and we prove that baby 1 belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Haris and baby 2 belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Bilal, which we have observed genotypically and we have guessed. Now we will make cross and confirm it. We will cross Mr. Haris and Mrs. Haris. Genotypes of Mrs. Haris is IA, IB, and Mr. Haris IA, small I, IA, IB. These are the gametes. And so Mrs. Haris has blood group AB, and Mr. Haris has blood group A, and the genotype is IA, small I. And so when we cross these two persons, we get offspring. IA will combine with IA, A blood group is produced, and IA will combine with small I. Offspring is IA, small I. Again A blood group. When IB will combine with IA, we get the genotype IA, IB. AB blood group baby, and when we cross IB with small I, we can get the genotype IB, small I. These are the offsprings. Genotypes of offspring: A blood group, homozygous A, heterozygous A, AB blood group, and B blood group, B blood type baby. This baby has B blood group. This is the B blood group, and so baby 1 has B blood group, and it is proved that baby 1 belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Haris. And then we will cross the Mr. and Mrs. Bilal. Mrs. Bilal, Mr. Bilal. And so Mrs. Bilal has genotypes IA, small I, and we will cross it with the IA, small I, which is the genotype of Mr. Bilal. We take heterozygous genotype of Mr. and Mrs. Bilal, because by observing the genotypes of Mrs. and Mr. Bilal, it is guessed that when small I will combine, O-type baby is produced. And so, we can guess that baby 2, which has O phenotype, belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Bilal. And so, we observe in this case, we will make gametes capital A and small I. Similarly, capital A and small I, these are the gametes. These are the offsprings. IA will combine with IA. Similarly, IA will combine with the small I. Small I will combine with the IA, and small I will combine with the small I. These are the offsprings. Offsprings. IA, A blood group, IA, small I, again A blood group, IA, small I, again A blood group, IA homozygous A type, IA small I heterozygous A type, IA small I heterozygous A phenotype. And so small I, baby with, this is the baby with O blood group, O blood type, O blood group. And so baby 2 belongs Mr. and Mrs. Bilal. We find out the results. The first result is results. Number 1, baby 1 belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Harris. And baby 2 belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Bilal. These are the results. And when we study the genotypes, we see that in the couple Mr. and Mrs. Bilal, small I allele is present in the Mr. Bilal, also in the Mrs. Bilal, small I allele is present, and so when small I will combine, O blood group will be produced, and so it is clear from this class that baby 2 which has blood type O belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Bilal.